welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about the Zoom H6 audio recorder. The H6 is Zoom's ultimate portable recorder. The recorder does everything from podcasting, music, filmmaking, and more. In fact, since we became a dealer for Zoom products, I have started using the Zoom H6 to record these videos here. Using Zoom's built-in sound marker tool, I'm easily able to sync up the audio. I have the microphone plugged into the Zoom H6 and another cable from the line out on the Zoom H6 to the mic input of the camera. By recording to the Zoom H6 handy recorder, you're taking advantage of its advanced preamps. The H6 is capable of recording up to 4 discrete mic inputs, and with the addition of the EXH-6 Capsule, you can record up to 6 mics. You can swap out the built-in XYH-6 X capsule for other mic capsules that Zoom offers. You don't need to rely on the built-in mics with the 4 XLR inputs and the one 3.5mm input jack on the XYH-6. There's also a headphone jack and a line out. The main inputs are capable of receiving phantom power up to 48 volts. One thing that I like to see on this for some of the other handy recorders is that there are physical dials to adjust your levels. Also, something you don't see on other recorders is that this has a large 2-inch full-color LCD display. As with other recorders, you can record up to 24-bit 96 kHz files in either WAV or MP3 formats. The H6 can also auto-record, pre-record, or even backup record. With the USB port on the H6, you are able to connect it to your computer or iPad to serve as a multi-channel audio interface. One important thing to note is that the Zoom H6 is capable of accepting cards up to 128 GB, whereas some of the others only support up to 32 GB cards. The H6 is capable of recording up to 20 hours with just 4 AA batteries. Well, this has been a quick overview of the Zoom H6. If this video helped you, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and also drop a comment down below if you have any questions. This is Adam, and I'll see you next time.